Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Voyager. This luxury touring V-twin just arrived with only 11,000 miles. Beautiful metallic black and gray, 6-speed transmission, 1,700 cc's of V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled. She's got the running boards, full package on the luxury touring. She's got the luggage rack, upgraded stereo speakers. She's got the vented windscreen, cruise control, AM/FM stereo, auxiliary so you can run your navigation. It's got fog lamps. This bike is beautiful condition. Come on by. Price to sell at just $12,990. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.